In this video, we are going to learn how to solve problems involving tangents to curves and gradients at a given point for your WASSCE Maths. So guys, we have 4 repeated questions to practice with for this particular topic. So this topic is under circle geometry. Alright, so circle geometry to me is one of the easiest in mathematics because you don't need to solve much. It's just for you to follow the principles or the rules and you get it right. So for this video, I will be solving the problems to show you the right answers. So if you want to learn more about circle geometry, I want to understand the principles of circle geometry, the rules of circle geometry, I have full videos recorded on this on how you can go about the principles and rules in the playlist of this WASSCE Maths video. So look for that video titled circle geometry, and I think rules or principles of circle geometry thereabouts I also recorded a video on. So guys, watch that video, very important for your theoretical aspect of WASSCE Maths. Alright, it will really help you a lot. So for this video, I'm just going to show you how to solve this. I'm not going to solving with any pen in this video, so I just use the calculator to punch to get the answer. So question 1 here says in the diagram below, PQ is a tangent to the circle MTN at T. What is the size of angle MTN? Basically, I'm looking for the angle T here. So to solve this, it's going to be, let's call the angle T here to be X. So it's going to be, when you do X plus 62 degree plus 52 degree, you equate it to 180 degrees. So let's punch this in the calculator. Alright, so this is going to be, when you make X solid formula, X will be 180 minus 62, because when 62 and 52 cross over the equality sign, they change the minus, okay, to minus 62 minus 52. So what the output 66. The right option is option B, 66 degrees. So that's it for this answer, guys. The next question will be this one. So it says in the diagram, PTR is a tangent to the circle center O. If angle TON equals 108, that's 108 degrees, calculate the size of angle PTN. We are looking for this angle T here. So this is going to be, let's bring a calculator. So for this question, firstly, let's subtract 108 from 180 degrees. So it is 180 degrees minus 108. Let's see what it's going to give us. So we have 72 degrees here. Alright, so I'm just applying the rules to solve this, guys. Now that we have 72 degrees, looking at this problem we have here, the next principle you're going to apply is you divide this 72 by 2. Okay, you have 36 degrees. Now, because of the nature of this question, now that we have 36 degrees, we are going to add that 36 we have gotten to 90 degrees. Okay, so it will be 90 plus 36, whatever it gives will be the final answer. 126. The right option is option A, 126 degrees. Alright, so I just used my knowledge of circle geometry to answer this question because of time. But if you want to learn in details how I explain circle geometry, the rules and the principles, check them my video, watch them. I took my time step by step to explain for you guys. So because of these objective questions, I'm just trying to solve these questions to show the right answer. These are repeated questions. In case it comes out, you can decode the answer on time. Alright, so next question will be this one. It says in the diagram, MNR is a tangent to the circle center O at N, and angle NOX equals 108 degrees. Find angle OXN. So basically, angle OSN, we're looking for this angle X here. So to get this angle X, it's going to be, let's bring the calculator. So you subtract 108 from 180 degrees. 180 degrees minus 108. Let's see what's going to give us 72. So now that we have gotten 72 degrees, this won't be the final answer. So you have to divide this 72 by 2 because of the rule applied in this kind of problem. So we have it to be what, 36 degrees. So the final answer to this question is 36 degrees. Okay, so option B is the right answer. That's it for this question. So lastly, before I end this video, it will be this question, the next one. Okay, so for this question, it says, looking at this graph, guys, the graph is that y equals 2x squared minus 5x minus 3. What is the gradient of y equals this at the point s equals 4? So guys, for this kind of problem, when it comes to gradient or slope, one of the easiest ways you can do it fast is applying derivative or differentiation rule. So let's differentiate this now and substitute it with the value of x, which is 4. You can actually do this with the calculator. Let me show you. Let's bring the calculator. So this is the calculator. To solve the derivative, first let's say press shift button 9, press 3, press equal to put the calculator in default mode. So press this shift and this definite integral button, so d over dx will come out. So let's impute the function. We have it to be 2x squared minus 5x, okay, minus 3. So you have to ensure the brackets are balanced. The brackets is already balanced, while one at the right and one at the left. So come here and put the 4, the value of x there. That's what press equal to. So we have it to be 11. The right option is what? Option D, 11.1, which is also 11. So guys, this basically can do problems involving tangent to curves and gradient at a point for your WASSCE Maths. These are 4 repeated questions to practice with in this video. Hope you learned something interesting from this video. Let's go to the video here, guys. If you are new to this channel, ensure that you are subscribed to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. Also like, share and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel for what I learned from this video. If you seem to have any specific questions to ask regarding what I've talked about in this video, feel free to leave your question at the comment section below and I'll ensure to give you a response. Also, don't forget to check out my video I have recorded taking my time to explain principles and rules of circle geometry. Watch that video, guys, for your theoretical aspects that you can understand this topic where circle geometry is actually not that complicating. Take your time watching my video and you'll be glad you did. Alright, so you also ensure that you're part of our channel membership. You will be getting premium information that helps to simplify academic work and help you excel in your external exams like WASSCE and other external exams you're writing. Alright, so having done this, click on the screen above and I see you in the next video. Don't forget to restore once you're done. Press shift button 9, full instructions, press 3, press record and press record again. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching.